Happy family, Amanda here. In today's video, we are going to make some page kits that we're going to take with us to our next day crop. Here in Riverview, Florida, my group, Favorable Retreats, we host day crops as well as weekend retreats. And on a monthly basis, we host our day crops. And I try to be prepared in advance and package some kits with photos and pattern papers so that when I get to the crop, I have a little less thinking to do. So today I'm going to take you on a journey on what do I include in a page kit, how I come to determine what should be included, and how I carry them with me to the crop. Join me. So when I'm preparing my page kits, I either start with the photo first or with the paper first. And we know as crafters, we buy specific collections and kits because we either have pictures that we already have that match it or pictures we know we're going to take to match it. So one of the kits I'm going to put together for this crop that I'm going to is going to be surrounded by this particular paper collection. This is a kit that I received from the Scrap Room. It's a monthly kit club where they mail you a portion of a collection. So this is the Photo Play Book Club by Tracy Smith collection that was sent to me from my subscription. And so within that, they give you 3 sheets of pattern paper and 2 pieces of cardstock. And this is all about books and reading. And I am an avid reader. And I know that I have some books or some pictures of me reading. So this would be perfect. So now I'm going to find the pictures and put it with these papers. And that will be a kit that I can take with me to a crop. Now, sometimes if I have time or if I know specifically what sketch I want to use, I will print out the sketch and throw it in here as well so that when I pull it out of my bag at the crop, it has everything I need in it. I also have pictures. And so another thing is sometimes a collection can stretch beyond one layout. So this is a full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I know I'm not going to use all of this on one layout. So if I have multiple pictures from various times of someone reading, I can throw that in here as well and potentially get more than one layout. So these are the pictures I'm going to put in here, pictures of me reading, and just write and do a page about myself and how much I love to read. So one kit done. Perfect. So the next way I do it is if I have some pictures like these pictures, for example, of my son. He is wearing a onesie that has mountains on it and some trees. And I know that I have a paper collection that has something similar. And that's this Hello Baby, It's a Boy collection from Echo Park. So within the collection, they have this page that I know I want to use. Here it is, where it's got trees and some mountains. It will go perfect with this picture. This outfit goes perfect with this paper. So I'm going to take this kit. I also have the 12 by 12 sheet collection kit for this. The 12 by 12 paper collection kit that goes along with this 6 by 6 paper pad. So I'm going to put that all together with this photo, and I have some embellishments. Now, this is all about baby boys, so I can easily throw in other pictures of the baby as well and put it together with that collection. So let me find that really quick. Okay, so here we go. This is the 12 by 12 collection. This is the 6 by 6 paper pad. Here's the photo. I have some additional photos of the baby that I want to do because he's got this orange stripe and there's a teepee in here with orange. So I'm going to use this collection specifically for these 3 photos. And this gives me 2 layouts. I'll do 2 single page layouts with this collection. So that's another kit for the crop. So as you can see, that's how I build my kits for the crops to try to reduce the amount of things that I take. So I hope that was helpful, those tips and tricks. So you either focus on your photo or you focus on a paper collection. If you focus on a paper collection and you have multiple photos printed that can accompany that paper collection, you'll be golden and you'll be able to put in a few other pictures within that kit and get a lot more done. Another way that I do it is I have these iris containers that I have labeled by theme. So for example, this is Christmas, and it has all my Christmas papers and embellishments in it. So I will take the iris container that I have on a particular subject and any pictures that I have printed on that subject. So for example, this here, this full photo case here, are my holiday pictures from 2022. So what I could do is just take my Christmas iris containers along with my photos and then take that with me to the crop. That way I'll have everything that I need for that theme and my pictures printed, and I'll just work on it that way. However, I like to take individual paper kits as well, just in case I get bored with a specific topic or theme throughout the day, especially if it's a weekend crop. I try to take a few different projects because I don't want to get oversatiated with just one theme. So I hope that was helpful for you all. I hope that you find a local group that you can go and meet other like-minded crafters and craft with them at a day crop or a weekend crop. If you are local in the Riverview area, look us up, Favorable Retreats. We'd love for you to join our community. And maybe we'll do an online virtual crop as well, so we can play together here for everyone that's across the country. I'm very proud of myself that I'm getting these kits completed for the crop that I have coming up. I hope that you get to do something that makes you proud of yourself today as well. Talk to you soon.